In this video, you'll learn how to adjust the timing of elements in Canva video to enhance your project. To get started, select the Presentations option, then expand the Videos section to access more video-specific templates for your project. Next, close any extra dialogues and enter a clear name in the template title field to keep your work organized. Now, provide a brief description of your desired design in the text field. This helps Canva suggest the most relevant options for your video. Choose the template that best fits your needs, then select the text option from the sidebar to add or edit text within your project. Open the Animate tab to add movement to your elements, then drag the adjustment slider to fine-tune timing and effects for smoother transitions. If prompted, rotate your phone for the best editing experience. If needed, upgrade to Canva Pro for access to advanced timing or animation features. Now, select the pan or animate options to control how your elements move on screen, adjusting these settings for the animation effect you want. Choose your preferred animation style, such as base, then close any orientation prompts to keep your workspace clear. Lock the background if you want other elements to move independently, then create a component to manage timing for grouped elements together. When you're ready, rotate your phone if prompted, and press play to preview timing and animations in your video. Select the layer option to refine how elements overlap, then ungroup items as needed to adjust their timing individually. Address any device orientation messages if they appear, and select text directly on the timeline to fine-tune its appearance and timing. Use the Projects option to organize your work, and refresh if you want to update the current view before finalizing. Finally, use the play and pause controls to review your timing adjustments and confirm every element appears as you intended. You now know how to adjust element timing in Canva video. Happy editing!